Termites, the silent destroyers. In the world of insects, there existed a remarkable group known as termites. These small but incredibly organized creatures were eusocial insects, meaning they lived in colonies with complex social structures. They had earned a somewhat ominous nickname, silent destroyers, due to their astounding ability to cause extensive damage to wooden structures. Termites belonged to the order Rhizoptera, and there were more than 2,800 known species of them, making them a diverse bunch. They could be found on every continent except Antarctica, diligently playing their crucial role in breaking down cellulose in dead plant material. In the grand scheme of ecosystems, some termite species were vital decomposers. Within these termite colonies, their social hierarchy was intriguing. They ranged from small groups to vast communities of millions. Each colony had its own caste system, consisting of workers, soldiers, and reproductive individuals. The queen termite was the true matriarch, laying thousands of eggs daily. Soldiers took up arms, defending the colony from predators, while the industrious workers foraged, built, and maintained. Termites were highly communicative insects, using pheromones to convey their intentions and needs. They were sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity, often constructing protective mud tubes to maintain their preferred dark and humid environment. Although they couldn't digest cellulose directly, symbiotic microbes in their guts helped them break down wood, which unfortunately could result in extensive damage to human homes. Their reproduction process was a spectacle known as swarming. During swarming events, winged reproductive termites, called elates, ventured out to establish new colonies. The king and queen, forming a pair, were responsible for the new colony's foundation. The queen's remarkable ability allowed her to live for decades, while worker termites had shorter lifespans. Termites came in various species, each with unique characteristics. Subterranean termites were common and economically destructive, while drywood and dampwood termites had their own niche preferences. Conehead termites, on the other hand, were aggressive and invasive. To defend themselves, soldiers had specialized mandibles or chemical defenses, some even producing toxins. They were the colony's front line, ready to protect at all costs. Termite nests varied in location, from underground to towering mounds that reached several meters in height. These mounds were architectural marvels, regulating temperature and humidity. While termites had a detrimental impact on human constructions, they played vital roles in ecosystems, recycling dead plant material and enhancing soil fertility. Some termite species even had mutualistic relationships with other insects and birds. Termites are eusocial insects, meaning they live in colonies with complex social structures. They are often called silent destroyers because of their ability to cause extensive damage to wooden structures. Termites belong to the order Rhizoptera, and there are over 2,800 known species. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Termites play a crucial role in breaking down cellulose in dead plant material. Some species of termites are important decomposers in ecosystems. Termite colonies can range from a few individuals to millions. Each colony has a caste system with workers, soldiers, and reproductive individuals. The queen termite can lay thousands of eggs each day. Soldiers are responsible for defending the colony from predators. Workers are the most numerous caste and perform various tasks, including foraging and building. Some termites build elaborate mounds above ground, while others live in subterranean nests. Termites are social insects and exhibit intricate communication through pheromones. They are sensitive to temperature and humidity changes and build mud tubes for protection. Termites are most active in warmer climates. They forage for food, often cellulose-based materials like wood. Termites can't digest cellulose directly but rely on symbiotic microbes in their guts. They can cause extensive damage to homes, leading to costly repairs. Termites prefer dark and humid environments. Termites reproduce through a process called swarming. Swarming is when winged reproductive termites, millets, leave the colony to start new ones. After swarming, termites shed their wings, and a male-female pair forms a new colony. The king and queen are the primary reproductives, with the queen laying eggs. The queen can live for decades, while worker termites have shorter lifespans. A mature colony can produce thousands of millets during a swarming event. Subterranean termites are the most common and economically destructive species. Drywood termites infest drywood and require less moisture than subterranean termites. Dampwood termites prefer wood with high moisture content. Conehead termites are highly aggressive and invasive. Soldiers have specialized mandibles or chemical defenses to ward off predators. Some termites produce toxic substances to deter predators. Termite nests can be located underground, in trees, or in the form of mounds. Mound-building termites construct enormous mounds that can reach several meters in height. The structure of termite mounds regulates temperature and humidity. Termites cause billions of dollars in property damage worldwide. Preventive measures and regular inspections are essential for termite control. Termites are a significant concern for the construction industry. Termites have mutualistic relationships with gut microbes that aid in cellulose digestion. Certain species of termites have mutualistic relationships with other insects. Some birds, like the honey-guide bird, are known to lead humans to termite nests. The mound-building process involves a mix of soil, saliva, and excrement. The mound's shape helps regulate temperature and gas exchange. Mounds are constructed with remarkable architectural precision. Termite millets have 4 wings of equal size, while ants have wings of different sizes. Swarming events often occur in the spring and after rainfall. Owlets are attracted to light sources during swarming. Termites feed on cellulose, which is found in plant material like wood and grass. They have protozoa and bacteria in their guts to break down cellulose. Termites recycle dead plant material, contributing to nutrient cycling in ecosystems. Termite control methods include chemical treatments, baits, and physical barriers. Integrated pest management is often used for sustainable termite control. Workers and soldiers have relatively short lifespans, typically a few months to a few years. Reproductive termites, especially queens, can live for decades. Swarming is triggered by environmental cues like temperature and humidity. Owlets are fragile and vulnerable during swarming. Once they find a suitable mate, they start a new colony by burrowing into soil. Termites use chemical signals called pheromones for communication. Pheromones play a role in regulating caste differentiation and colony behavior. Some termite mounds can be seen from space due to their size. Mounds have specialized chambers for different colony activities. Temperature and humidity control within mounds are essential for larval development. Mounds can be hundreds of years old. Certain species of ants have mutualistic relationships with termites. Ants protect termites from predators, and termites provide food. Some beetles also have mutualistic associations with termites. Termite queens can lay thousands of eggs each day. The pheromones produced by the queen regulate the colony's activities. Queens are tended to by workers and rarely leave the nest. Soldier termites have powerful jaws for defense. They can block tunnels with their heads to prevent intruders. Soldiers can't feed themselves and rely on workers for sustenance. Workers are blind and sterile and perform various tasks, including feeding and grooming. They also build and maintain the nest. Workers create shelter tubes to connect the nest to food sources. Termite pheromones. Termites release alarm pheromones when threatened to warn others. These pheromones can trigger the evacuation of the nest. Termite threats. Termites can damage not only wooden structures but also paper, books, and insulation. They often go unnoticed until significant damage has occurred. Termite damage is not covered by most homeowner insurance policies. Termite life cycle. The termite life cycle includes egg, nymph, and adult stages. Nymphs molt several times before becoming adults. Reproductive termites develop into adults. Termite sound production. Some termites produce sounds by tapping their heads against wood to communicate. These sounds can serve as an alarm or warning signal. Termite chemical senses. Termites have highly developed chemical senses to detect pheromones and food. They can differentiate between different types of wood. Termite swarm season. Swarming termites are often attracted to lights. Swarming termites typically occur on warm, calm evenings. They are vulnerable to predators during swarming. Termite frass. Termite frass is a mixture of digested wood and feces that they push out of the nest. The presence of frass is a sign of termite infestation. Termite gut microbes. Termites rely on symbiotic microbes in their guts to digest cellulose. These microbes break down cellulose into simpler compounds. Termites obtain nutrition from the byproducts of microbial digestion. Termite ecological role. Termites play a crucial role in recycling dead plant material. Their activities enhance soil fertility. They contribute to nutrient cycling in ecosystems. Termite mounds provide shelter and habitat for other organisms. Termite fungus cultivation. Some species of termites cultivate fungus in their nests as a food source.